Is your HP 3301 FDW showing a missing or unavailable driver on Windows 11? Here are a few quick steps that can fix the problem. First, open Windows Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then select Printers and Scanners. Find your HP 3301 FDW and check its printer status. If Windows reports that the driver is missing or unavailable, remove the printer from Windows. After removing it, restart your computer before reinstalling the printer. Next, download the correct software and driver package for the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 FDW and your version of Windows 11. Avoid random third-party driver download sites. Run the installer and follow the connection instructions. If you use Wi-Fi, make sure your computer and printer are connected to the same network. Finally, print a test page. If it prints successfully, your driver is installed correctly. Save this video for the next time your HP printer driver disappears.